Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning, one and all. Today we are gathered here for our PBL project. Our project is sending and receiving messages by using encryption technology. We are from JL College of Engineering, third year students. My name is Chandan Bhate and my group members are Yash Bhane, Bhargav Krishnan and Sanket Bandalkar. Professor Vidya Kantali ma'am guided us for our PBL project. Now me and my team members will explain about this project.
Hello, my name is Bhargav and our project is about encryption and decryption. So basically what encryption is, it converts plain text into ciphertext. Ciphertext means a text which we can't, as humans can't understand, and we will not able to know what a person has written. And decryption is the vice versa of encryption. The ciphertext is converted into plain text. My friend Yash will explain it to you in detail.
Hello everyone, I am Yash Bharne and our project is sending and receiving message through encryption technology.
Welcome to our project. So let's start the project. So our problem statement is sending and receiving message by using encryption technology. The objectives of the project is to protect the information from being stolen, compromised or attacked, protect the confidentiality of data, preserve the integrity of data, promote the availability of a data for authorized user. So basically when we talk about the communication, the network, we need to make sure that there is some sort of security for information being communicated. So this is achieved by cryptography. So basically cryptography is a field of a network which deals with security for hiding the real information shared between two parties. Cryptography is achieved by encryption. Encryption is a process of converting plain text to ciphertext. It's called encryption. It is also called as encoding. Decryption. Decryption is a process of converting ciphertext to plain text. It is called decryption or also decoding. So this is our system architecture. The plain text is encrypted using secret key. Now the text has become ciphertext. Now ciphertext will be decrypted using same secret key. This algorithm is known as symmetric key algorithm or same key algorithm. So software requirement for this project is Windows and C compiler. Methodology. Methodology for encryption is enter the string, get the ASCII values for each character of a plain text and store them in an array. Set a minimum value key. Add the key to each ASCII value. Print the string. Hence encryption is achieved. For decryption, enter the encrypted string. Get the ASCII value of each character. Now subtract the key, that same key, from the ASCII values. Print the string. Hence decryption is achieved. This is our project result. String entered is hello friend. It is encrypted. So this is an encrypted string and this is an decrypted string. So application of this project is it protects the sensitive data entered into their application, safeguard the business rules, algorithms, schema and procedures incorporated therein, prevent data threatening by curious user and network administrator etc., and protect DDLs for reverse engineering. Now we will move towards our project execution. This is our code. Here we have set the key value as 3, which will help us for encrypting the text and decrypting the text. Now we will run the program. Here we will enter the string hello friends. Now for encrypting the string we will choose 1. Hence the string is encrypted. Now for decrypting purpose we will select the encrypted string. Again run the program and see what will be our decrypted string. For decrypting we will choose 2. Hence our decrypted